What's happening, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna give you an update on the graph staking. I'm going to show you what kind of rewards you can get by staking the graph so you can decide for yourself if you should do it or not. So if you don't know, on December 31st I created this video that shows you how to stake the graph token. It's one of the ways for you to make passive income with crypto. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button so YouTube will propagate my videos and I can keep making videos for you like this. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would recommend you to do so. Okay, let's take a look at what kind of rewards I'm getting from delegating GRT tokens or the graph tokens. Let's go to network here on the graph web page, and on the right corner I have my wallet here that's already connected. And here's my the graph, let's say, portfolio, right? I deposited 100 GRTs on this indexer called Rabina.eth, and right off the bat the network takes 0.5% of what I deposited, so they took 0.5 GRTs. In 22 days I made 1.32 GRTs, and my total amount now that I have is 182. So I already got back at least the 0.5% and a little bit more. The calculation I have here, I went to this website called Percentage Calculator and put in these numbers, 99.5 to 182, and what I get is 1.32% in 22 days, right? So I think it's a lot more than what this website staking rewards was showing, like 6%. I mean, 1.32% in 22 days in a year will give a lot more than 6%, right? So I'll let you do the calculations, but this is what I got so far. If I was to take my tokens back or undelegate, I would get my 100 GRTs back plus 0.82 GRTs. But I'm not gonna do that. As you probably know, Ethereum transactions are pretty expensive nowadays. If I was to do that today, I would spend like, I don't know, $10 only in fees to do that. So I'm just gonna leave my 100 GRTs there. I deposited 100 GRTs for demonstration purposes. Another thing I wanted to show you is that recently I published this Ethereum tutorial. It's basically a complete MetaMask guide that shows you how to make Ethereum transactions and configure your MetaMask and your mobile MetaMask for iPhone or Android. So I would recommend you to take a look at this video if you're not familiar with that. And this is all I have to share today. Quick video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you didn't. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.